Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to hex mesh this nozzle cell junction part, and we have already performed this hex mesh in 2023 HyperMesh. You can find it here, but this is legacy version, so we will proceed here. So as you can see, like this is almost symmetrical about this uh, like this quarter. So we can take any one part and we can mesh this, and later we will reflect it. So basically, first thing first is like I have imported a XT, which is parasolid file. So the obvious is like this will be in millimeters. Sorry, this will be in meters. And one more thing is like while importing, there may be like something happened. So it gone to 10 power 6 minus 6. So we need to scale it first to make it into mm. So I'll go on and scale this, and instead of 1 e power 6 is fine for me. Scale up, that's it. Now if you measure, you will get it in mm. So this is 9.26 to 525. Okay, now I'll just go on and mask this other solids, and I will work on this one. Now if I'll go on one by one and start the hex meshing of this. So yeah, and let's me just create a 5 mm 2D cell mesh here. As you can see, like here I will put two divisions, and here I'll put 7, and 4 is fine, 4, 10, 14. That's it. And now go to meshing here. I will set as map as pentagon. Now I just press OK. So this way my mesh has been created. Now I'll go on here and do this 3D solid map, one solid, and then instead of I will go just go on and select this, and surface will be this one, destination surface will be this, and 5 mm will be my elements as I press on mesh. So yeah, mesh has been created as you can see here. Now I'll go on and mesh this also. Okay, now I will just select this solid, surface will be this one, destination will be this, and click on mesh. So as you can see that this is not connected, so I just need to do this, and then I can't use this one option, so I will go on here and I'll go to this node path, and now I'll select these elements, make sure this is connected. Okay, solid map, these elements to drag, I will select these elements, and this surface will be this surface, and nodes will be this node to this node, sorry, this node, miss this. Oh, click on reject, node part again I will select. Okay, click on mesh. Okay, this is taking some other way. Go to reject, go to the surface, select this surface. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, but it is not taking this connectivity. Okay, so how to do this? Then go to here, mixed and elements. I select these elements. Okay, I just need to extract the faces of these elements. Now we'll try again. So go again and just go to here by face. Destination will be this surface. Elements will be this one, and just click on mesh. That's it. My mesh has been generated. Okay, and surface I need to select it. This one. This surface. Click on mesh. Yeah, now it is following this surface, and this is also connected. You can see here. Now again I will follow the same procedure. Go on here and mesh this part. 2 3 2 plus 3 5 7. So I need 7 divisions here. Okay, go on here and set as a rectangle. Okay, okay. Now I can go on here and just do this. Okay, now I need to again uh, create this face. Then we can go on again and do solid map elements by this face. Surface destination will be this one. Elements to match will be this face, and surface I will select as this surface. Sorry, this surface. No, okay. I'll do one thing. I'll just do this and unselect all the surfaces. Okay, click on this. It is saying connectivity error. Let me try it again. I'll save this view and I will hide this solid. Now we'll mark this lines also. Now I will go on here and say solid map again and say face. Destination will be this surface. Elements to match will be this one, and surface will be this surface. Again I can select this surface also. Done. So we will go on and increase the refinement, so it is not there in this line, you can see. So I need to select the other surfaces also. Go on reject surface. I need to select the other surfaces also. This surface is fine, and others automatically I think it will. Yeah, let me just select all the surfaces then. Okay, click on mesh. Done. Now it is in the same line. Again I will go on restore this. Then I will focus on this part now. I'll go on here and mesh this. Now we'll go on here and extract this face of this mesh, and then again do the same thing. I will just unselect this solid for time being. Go to element to drag will be this faces, and surface will be this one, and elements to match will be this one, Again, some surface I need to take it, or you can take it lines, but surface will be more accurate, I think. Click on mesh. Done. So once this is done, uh, we just need to do this 2D mesh, and then we can just go on and drag this elements here in this direction. So what we can do here is we can just go on here and just roughly do the batch mesh here. Done. Now we can just restore our part, and we can see like some triads are there that if we want we can remove, but for time being I'm not removing this. And now we can just go on and one second, we can just go on and I will just toggle this, and now we can just go on and solid map this. By face I will select this, destination will be this one, and elements I need to follow along these elements. Oh, shit. I just need to uh, extract the face of these elements, and then I will go on and here and uh, drag this sets of element. Surface will be this one, destination surface will be this one. Elements I need to follow is this set of elements, and I can select this as my guides. Done. This face also I can select. Click on mesh. So this mesh has been created. Now what I can do here is I can just go on and delete this 2D element. I have isolated the 2D elements. Now I'm all alone with my 3D elements. I will put everywhere in one collector, everything in one collector here. We'll delete the faces first, then everything in component 1. Sorry, every element in component 1, and then just change the color to something better. Okay, now I'll check whether proper connectivity is there or not. So I'll extract the faces, isolate the faces, and then I will just go on here and see there are no free edges. There are 32 T connections that I need to take care of. Okay, so basically it can be gone in just equivalence operations, I think. Just go to preview. Okay, okay, preview. One second. Okay, I think some issue is there. We can check here the duplicate elements. There are no duplicate elements. Then we can go on and just go to preview equivalence. That's it. Now we will check again. whether our problem is solved or not. So there are still some few T connections and there are no free edges. So T connections are still there. Okay, we'll go on and do this. Separate this layer of elements, and then I can go on and select these elements only, go to preview with some increased tolerance, equivalence, done. Now I can just isolate it again and again check this one. So now there are 15 T connections left. Okay, so we can go on again here and select to this components elements and just preview this. Just increase the tolerance. 2.3. Okay, I will increase the tolerance to 0.5. Okay, equivalence. Now again we will check our whether T connections issue is solved or not. So there are no T connections and there are no free edges. So we are good to go to reflect this. So once this is done, we will just reflect this. Go on here and go to tools reflect. Select all the elements and just I need to reflect about this plane. Duplicate original component, reflect this one. Again I will do the same thing. This plane I have selected, duplicate original components, reflect it, done. Now we just need to uh, equivalent this, equivalence, that's it. So this is how we can hex mesh this solid part. You can CAD part is in the description. You can follow along. You can download it and you can follow along with this process. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.